Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain why North Korea is sanctioned. North Korea faces severe international sanctions, primarily due to its persistent development of nuclear weapons and ballistic missile technology. These actions are in direct violation of numerous United Nations Security Council resolutions. The global community imposes these measures to pressure the nation into abandoning its weapons programs and engaging in denuclearization efforts, aiming for regional stability and preventing proliferation. These penalties restrict trade and financial transactions. A core reason for sanctions is North Korea's pursuit of nuclear weapons. Despite international condemnation, the country has conducted multiple nuclear tests and continues to advance its arsenal. Furthermore, its ongoing development and testing of various ballistic missiles, including intercontinental ballistic missiles, pose a significant threat. These programs directly contravene international non-proliferation treaties and United Nations mandates, leading to a unified global response. Beyond weapons, human rights abuses also contribute to sanctions. Reports detail widespread violations, including forced labor and severe restrictions on freedoms. Additionally, North Korea engages in illicit activities like cyber attacks, counterfeiting, and money laundering to generate revenue. These funds are often diverted to support its prohibited weapons programs, further solidifying the international community's resolve to maintain and strengthen sanctions. Sanctions significantly restrict North Korea's access to international trade, finance, and technology. This aims to cut off funding and resources for its weapons programs, impacting its economy. The international community hopes these measures will compel North Korea to return to negotiations and commit to verifiable denuclearization. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.